Hello traders, how are we? Today's Friday, we've made it. Friday the 3rd of November to be exact. And as always, guys, we're going to look back at yesterday's trades, we're going to look at today's potential trades, and we're going to look at the important news for today as well. And it's another busy news day. It's been one of them weeks, guys, where we've just had to sit on our hands and pick trades where we can. So let's start with yesterday, guys. And this was one trade that we picked yesterday, and this was the trade that I took, guys. So Canadian dollar, Swiss franc, we were looking to buy this pair. Why were we looking to buy it? Well, if you can see this zone here, this was an important weekly support zone, guys. We're actually in this, you know, higher time frame range, and we're at the bottom of this range, you know, and buyers started entering the market. If we zoom in now, what I really like, guys, is this box of consolidation or this, you know, this box of indecision. This box here, guys, all right? So price came down, hit the weekly support zone. We had weekly and daily buyers just fighting it out, and then we got a break. Yeah, as soon as we got a break, and once it come back down to this gray zone, we were interested, guys, and we were trying to buy up to this blue line, and that's pretty much exactly what happened, guys. If we drop down to the H4, because it was a bit of a H4 play, really, guys. And again, what I'm showing you is not rocket science, yeah? We've used the daily to pick our direction for the reasons I explained, okay? We then find an area of support and resistance, which you can see clearly price has reacted in this zone previously here, yeah? Then we get a bullish reaction, and then we enter. Yeah, like I say, guys, not rocket science. This was helped by a push off of oil as well. But, you know, we got a bullish candle, bullish H4 candle, entered here, put our stop below here. I took some profit at these highs. Yeah, took some profit off here and then let the rest of the trade run, guys, back up to here. Yeah, and we hit target, guys. So it was a great trade, Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. And I put this trade in the VIP Discord channel, guys. That's where I put all of my trades, stop losses, entries, targets, everything, guys. So come join the VIP Discord if you would like my trades every day. So yeah, that was Canadian Swiss franc, successful trade. We was also looking at Euro US dollar. Okay, so this was another one we were looking at. If we start with the day chart, why were we looking at it? Well, we were looking at buys. Okay, and at this point, we are in an uptrend. Yeah, we got, sorry, my big head's in the way. We got higher lows, higher highs. All right, but then we found ourselves in this range. Okay, you know, from here to here. Yeah, this range from here to here, guys. All right, and we're still in this range. You can see yesterday it reacted at the top, but before that reaction, guys, we had this bullish candle. It's red, but that is a bullish candle, and the idea off the back of that was to take it up to this blue line, if not this blue line here. And again, guys, this was, yeah, this was more of a H1 play, really. So we were looking for, you know, this gray zone. Okay, because price had reacted many times in this gray zone before. All right, and what we were looking for, guys, was a retrace into this gray zone and then a bullish reaction. I mean, it did touch the gray zone in my defense and shot off. But, you know, once we got this candle, guys, I was interested, but I still wanted a pullback. Yeah, I was looking for a pullback even just down to here, and I would have entered. Yeah, take price back up to here or here, put my stop below here. But yeah, it just didn't pull back, guys. It just sort of shot off. But maybe some of you took it, guys. Maybe some of you took it on this candle. And again, please let us know in the Discord channel. Yeah, we'd like to see how you trade these pairs as well. So yeah, again, it was good direction, but a little tricky for me to get in on because we didn't get that retrace. But a good direction. And the final trade from yesterday was silver. Ha ha! Oh dear, do make myself laugh. If you can't make yourself laugh, who can you make laugh, eh? So silver, we were looking to buy silver. Let's look at the day chart and let's understand why. So we had found ourselves, we had this massive bullish push up, which we've seen with silver and gold. And then it's found a new higher low. Yeah, come back up to here, you know, and arguably a range now. Yeah, it could potentially do this. And that was the thinking behind it, guys. And yeah, the moving average 20 was coming round nicely. And we'd had this bullish candle that bounced off of these lows and the moving average 20. So the idea was just to take it back up to here. If we drop down to the H1 now, because I want to show you this, guys. So as we mapped out earlier that morning, this grey zone was an area of interest. Okay, and if it broke this grey zone, we would be interested. And as you can see, this green candle here broke the zone. But it wasn't exactly a convincing candle. Yeah, we had a bit of a, you know, a wick on the top of it. So at this point, I said, okay, we've had a break, but what I'll do, I will wait for the H4 candle and see if that breaks this level. Okay. And then if we look at the H4, guys, you can see, yeah, it didn't. And it was a massive, you know, wick to sell, if anything, guys. So this area didn't break on the H4, instead got a bearish candle and price come down. So yeah, for that reason, guys, couldn't trade this one. The setup didn't happen. So those were the trades from yesterday. Let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoyed yesterday's analysis, maybe you took some of the trade ideas, maybe you made some money, then come subscribe to the channel. I give you my daily analysis, trade ideas every day. So subscribe to the channel right now. Also, please smash the notification button, guys, so you receive an alert every time we post a vid. And if everyone could please smash the like button. Yeah, it really helps support the vid and the channel. Merci beaucoup, shukran, dankashan, gracias. So trades for Friday, the 3rd of November, guys. Before we get started, let me just mention a few things that we do. So first of all, we've got the free Discord channel. It is free. Come join it. Yeah, we've got traders in there sharing knowledge, ideas. We got books. We've got useful links, indicators, loads of great value, guys. Come join the free Discord. The link is in the video description. Next, guys, we also have the VIP Discord channel. Okay, this is where I put all of my trades, entries, stop losses, take profits. So if you'd like my trades as and when they happen every day, then join the VIP Discord. You also get access to me throughout the trading day, as in you can ask me questions. Also, I give you exclusive content every single week. And you get access to a performance coach should you require it, guys. So, yeah, VIP Discord, loads of value there, guys. Check it out. It's in the video description. Next one, guys, if you would like to be coached one-on-one and learn how to read the charts like myself, then drop us an email and we'll send you the details of the mentorship program. The email is in the video description. And finally, guys, if you would like to support the channel, maybe you watch the analysis vids, the live streams every day, and you want to show your support for the channel, well, you can. You can become a Simply Forex YouTube member. We've got supporter and gold membership, and they both have loads of perks, guys. All right, so check that out as well. And no live stream today because it's Friday. Me and the editor go to the pub. Hopefully, not sure if we are, but we may do. Anyway, so yeah, check all that out, guys. It's all in the video description. Right, trades for today, guys. The first thing, you know, we've been seeing really is Swiss franc weakness. Yeah, it's weaker than a wet paper bag. All right, so Swiss franc weakness. So this is the catalyst for our first trade idea. And if you look at any of them, obviously we was in Canadian dollar, Swiss franc from yesterday. I mean, you can just look at this strength. We are hitting resistance here, however. Aussie dollar, Swiss franc, again, you know, look at that. It went bang, bang. Technical terms, bang, bang. Yeah, but this still has room. Okay, but the one trade that I do like out of the Swiss franc pairs, and this is my first trade idea, is Euro Swiss franc. Yeah, why do I like this? Because this just has more room to move into, guys. Okay, so let's look at the reasons why we like Euro Swiss franc for our first trade idea. Well, first of all, we were in this, crazy downtrend. Only, a couple of weeks ago, Swiss franc had a lot of strength, and now bang, it's become one of the weakest pairs. Yeah, welcome to trading. And we're in an uptrend, higher lows, higher highs. Yeah. So not only that, guys, we also had a very bullish candle form yesterday. Okay, so this tells us that buyers are back in control and we can potentially take price back up to here. All right, so that's the idea, guys. Euro Swiss franc buy. If we look at the H4, yeah, okay, it's a bit of a H4 play. So this grey zone through here is a bit of a daily level, but it works still with this chart. So what do I want to see, guys? Yeah, first of all, we get a retrace back into this grey zone here. Okay, we get a bullish reaction, and then we can start buying Euro Swiss franc. Or, this bullish momentum, it just breaks this grey zone, breaks these last highs. Then we get a retrace to this grey zone, and then we can start buying Euro Swiss franc. All right, guys. So, yeah, those are the two levels I'm looking at for Euro Swiss franc in order to buy it. The next trade idea is this, and is pound US dollar. Where are you? And this is based on the next thing we're seeing is US dollar weakness as well. Okay. Again, let's take a look at a few pairs, like probably a bad example, New Zealand US dollar. If we go to the day chart, US dollar weakness. If we go to Aussie dollar US dollar, yeah, US dollar weakness. US dollar Canadian dollar, where are you? Yeah, US dollar weakness. But the one I like, guys, is pound US dollar, because for me, this is in an uptrend just about. So pound US dollar is my second trade idea, guys. So look, it's my big head in the way again. I apologize, guys. Let me move that out of the way. There we go. So at this point, we was in a downtrend, but then bang, yeah, we started to get higher highs. We're in an uptrend. And then, wasn't sure what was happening here, but this is really, a last low, and we got a break. Yeah, we're in an uptrend again. And this level through here never broke. So the lows never broke. So we're still in an uptrend. And then we just get a bit of crappy price action. But then yesterday's candle has broken the high of this candle. Okay, so this tells me we can at least take price back up to this grey zone. All right, so that's what we're looking to do. We're looking to buy pound Swiss franc. If I zoom in a little bit, guys, yeah, you can just see that the body of this candle broke the high of this candle. And so we can take it back up to here. Obviously, guys, we've got NFPs today. We've got big US dollar news. You might want to be a bit in and out of this trade, but, the trade idea is sound. If we drop to the H4 now, yeah, okay, so, but no, let's go to the H1, because this will potentially help us trade this. So H1, yeah, I've pinpointed this grey zone, okay, because this is the last lows, really. This is a H4, this is a H1 low. So if price retraces into here and we get a bullish reaction, we can start buying pound US dollar. However, the way the market is structured, we can see we're getting these higher lows on the H1, and potentially, we're seeing this. Okay, so it may not come down to this grey zone. So we can just follow H1 structure, guys. Potentially, if we get what would I want to see? I would want to see, potentially a break of this level here. Yeah, we get a bullish candle breakthrough here. We start buying it. Or, we could trade this candle. If this is bullish, we could start trading this candle, potentially put a stop down here somewhere and look to take it higher. which is what I might do. And if I do, I will put this trade in the VIP Discord channel. So yeah, a couple of options, guys, here, but pound US dollar, we're looking to buy. There was another couple of things I was interested in. Okay, so one of them was Euro New Zealand dollar and pound New Zealand dollar. So one of the VIP guys brought this up in the live stream, I believe. So, you know, pound New Zealand dollar, we are seeing a break of trend. Yeah, we had this box of indecision, and then we've had a break. This candle has broken out of this box. Okay, but yeah, I mean, but there's the moving average 20, and look at the wick on this candle. It doesn't fill me with confidence to sell it. Okay, so I just wanted to show you that I'm aware of this break, but just this wick and the moving average 20 doesn't give me the confidence to sell it. And it's the same with Euro New Zealand, guys. They're both in interesting levels. So I suggest we, you know, keep an eye on Euro New Zealand and pound New Zealand to see how price reacts, because this will be interesting for your own knowledge, yeah, on how markets move. Yeah, again, here, Euro New Zealand, clearly in an uptrend. Again, bit of a box of indecision, and then we broke these lows again with this candle here, very similar to pound New Zealand dollar, but we're at the moving average 20. You know, we've got less of a wick, you know, so yeah, they're not trade ideas for me today, but I just think we should all keep an eye on these pairs just to see how they react. All right, guys. Yeah, and also, guys, yeah, if you enjoy my analysis every morning, don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe right now. Also, everyone, please smash the like button. Don't forget all the cool things we do. We've got the free Discord, VIP Discord, mentorship program, and we've got Simply Forex YouTube membership. All right, so check it all out, all in the video description. Let's check the news out now. So news for Friday, the 3rd of November, guys. So Japan on holiday, Culture Day. I would love to be there for Culture Day. Sounds fun. Overnight, guys, retail sales coming out of Australia. This probably give the Aussies some strength, so worth bearing in mind. But the first piece of news that we're interested in is this, guys. Yeah, at 9:30 London GMT. I know it says 2-star ratings, but I'm going to give them 3-star ratings. We've got composite PMI and services PMI, guys. All right, so must be aware of that. That could really move the pound. So yeah, 9:30 London GMT. At 10 o'clock, it says 2 stars. Again, this is 3 stars. This is the unemployment rate of the Eurozone. Yeah, this is an important piece of employment data. So 10 o'clock London GMT, must be aware of that. It could move the euro. And then if we start moving down, guys, you can see we've got some real big news coming out of the US and Canada. And it's all happening at the same time, guys. So 12:30 London GMT, we've just got all of this data here. So we've got just basically a load of employment data. Yeah, we've got average hourly earnings, month on month, year on year, NFPs, the big one. We've got the unemployment rate as well, guys. Okay, so that's all coming out of the US. And then Canada, we've got the employment change and the unemployment rate. So imagine the US dollar, Canadian dollar pair at 12:30. Buck wild. Yeah, and if that's not enough, guys, we've still got more news after that. But, guys, must be aware of all that. You don't want to be in a trade and get wiped out. 1:45, guys, also, we've got services PMI. And then 2 o'clock, we've got manufacturing PMI. And at the same time, non-manufacturing prices. So a real heavy news day today, guys. Must be aware of all that. May make it a bit tricky to trade, but it is what it is. Guys, I hope you have a great trading day. And if you've enjoyed the vid, please subscribe, like, and share. Have a great trading day and a great weekend. Adios.